Hello, everyone. Today is Wednesday, October 20th. Let's find out what's going on with our number corner. We've seen a lot on our calendar. What do you think we'll see today? Let's find out. Whoa! We're back to leaves again. And if we look at this closely, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 leaves. 9 leaves today, and none are in the basket. So we can very quickly go to our calendar grid. We've written a lot this month. Very good. Go to today's information and add that we have 9 leaves. None are in the basket, and 9 are out of the basket. We'll write that down. We have 9 leaves out of the basket and no leaves in the basket. Let's write that math equation that explains it, which is 0 plus 9 equals 9. There it is. Our number tree, our math story, and our equation. Fantastic, All Stars. Let's now go to our days in school. We'll add on another day. Ooh, wow. We have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34 days. Amazing. Let's do this. We're going to write in the number 34. We are now going to write a math fact, and I'm thinking of a math fact. 10 plus 10 plus 10, because we have 3 groups of 10 on our other chart, plus 4. That will still be 3 groups of 10, 3 tens, and 4 ones. All right. We're going to move on and do a different activity now. We have not collected our blocks for the past few days, so we are going to go and collect some more blocks for our grid. Why don't we add another trapezoid, and I hope you're fun with our shapes, and another this. So if you look at our information, we have 4 triangles and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 trapezoids. We have 5 rhombuses and 4 hexagons. Very, very interesting, All Stars. Fantastic. Fantastic. We are now going to go to our equations. I want to do some more equations. That was so much fun. I want to do something with these in a different way, so I want you to pay careful attention. This is going to help you really grow as a math expert. It says the children have 8 apples to make pie. They have some red apples and some green apples. So they're trying to make the number 8. They have some red and some green. So why don't we use that? Why don't we think of ways that we can make the number 8? I have an idea. Why don't we take the number 6? And I am going to make 6 red apples. That's 2. Let's see. 3. 4. 5. 6. We have 6 red apples. 6. I'll put that number on the screen. 6 plus something is going to give us the number 8. So I want to do this. I want to look at what we have. If we have our 6, we have our 6 red apples. Then it says we have some green apples. So I have an idea. Maybe this will work. If we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 red apples, and we're trying to get to the number 8, we can actually say, I have 6 and I'm trying to make 8. I can add on some green for the green apples. But let's see how many. If we already have 6, we can count on with the number that comes after 6. So if we have 6, this is 7. And this is number 8. 6 plus 1, 2, 6 plus 2 is one way to make the number 8. Do you see that, class? I'll do it again. If we have 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we added on 2 more, 1, 2, that would help us get to the number 8. Let's try one more. That was fun. That was fun. Let's see what we can do. It says there are 10 walnuts and acorns in the bowl. We don't know how many of each. So if 10 is our big number, do it on this. 10 is our big number. What if we said, the number 7? 7 plus something equals 10. We'll do what we did before. Well, we made what looks like a train. That's what I like to call it. A train. Where we'd have 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7. We have 7. Why don't we count on by adding on a few more? 8, 9, 10. How many did I add on to that 7 to make the number 10? 1, 2, 3. I know. 7 plus 3 equals 10. Fantastic. What math facts can you make that equal the number 10? Try it now. Enjoy.